Hey everyone, happy Tuesday. Today for math, we're going to start by going over our vocab. So our first word is ones. Remember, ones are numbers 1 through 9. So in base 10 blocks, we show ones with these little squares, okay? If you were going to draw out ones, you could draw out circles for your ones places. Tens are a group of 10 ones. So once you have 10 ones, you can get one group of 10. And that's the rod in our base 10 blocks. So let's look at the number 13. The number 13 has one group of 10 and 3 ones, okay? Let's try one more. What about the number? Let's try the number 32. 32 has 3 groups of 10s. And let me fix my 2. Doesn't look too great. And how many ones? 2 ones. Yep, so 32 is 3 groups of 10s and 2 ones. All right, our next word is counting, our next word is 10 more. So 10 more is when you count up 10. You're also going to see one more in today's activity, but for now we're just going to, one more is just counting up 1. So we're just going to focus on 10. For right now, so let's see, what is 10 more than 30? Well, if we count up 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is 40 is 10 more than 30. Okay, so I just counted up 10. You look, all that changed is my number of 10s in the number. So I just added one group of 10. Okay, now I have 10 less. 10 less is counting back 10. So let's do 30 again. So if I want 10 less, I'm going to count back 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 is 10 less than 30. Look again, I just took away one group of 10. So I counted back 10. Our next 2 words are going to be new words, and we're going to talk about these 2 words for a couple days, okay? The first one is penny, and the second one is dime. Maybe you've heard these words before, but if not, let's talk about them right now. So this is a penny. This is a penny. A penny equals 1 cent. So it's a type of money, and it equals 1 cent, okay? And then we have a dime, and a dime equals 10 cents. So it's a type of money that equals 10 cents. So we have a penny, we have a dime. So a dime equals 10 cents. That means when I get, if I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, if I had 10 pennies, I could trade that out for 1 dime, okay? 10 pennies equals 1 dime because 10 pennies is 10 cents and 1 dime is 10 cents. So in the same way that 10 ones equals a group of 10, 10 pennies equals a dime. So a penny is worth 1, a dime is worth 10, okay? All right, today we're going to play a game. I'll make sure I'm on the right PowerPoint. Okay, so today we're going to play a game. Step 1, the first thing you need to do before we play this game is you need to find this in your packet, okay? And you need to color each line a different color. So see how I colored each line a different color? Once you're done with that, you're going to cut out each line and then lay them flat in order from 0 to 99. Okay, so color it, cut it out, lay it in line from 0 to 99. Press pause on the video and do that, and when you're done, push play, okay, and then we'll keep going. All right. Step 2 is you need to cut out this spinner in your packet. It says 10 more, 1 less, 1 more, 10 less. I need you to cut this out of your packet as well. Push pause on the video and then hit play when you're done. All right, so how to play. I'm going to read you the instructions, then I'm going to show you, okay? So first you're going to place 2 movers on 0 on your big line. So like down here, you have 2 movers, okay? Player 1 will spin the spinner first, and they will move their mover based on what they land on. So if I land on 10 more, I'm going to move my little dot 10 spaces. If I hit 1 more, I'm going to do 1 more. If I do 10 less, I have to go backward, okay? You can't go 10 less until you've gotten a little ways away, though. So if you land on that in your first turn, spin again. The first player that gets all the way to the end, all the way to 99, wins. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to play by giving you an example. All right, so here's my numbers. Let me make sure I've laid them all out in order. All right, so I have my numbers all lined up. Here's my spinner, and I have 2 movers, and I'm going to play against Rashid, okay? So I'm going to go first. All right. To use my spinner, I cut it out. I found a paper clip, and I'm going to put a pencil so I can spin my paper clip around it. If you have another way you want to make your spinner, that's okay. You can also use the arrow that came in the packet. All right, so I'm going to go first. I'm going to spin my paper clip. I got 10 more. So I'm going to move my mover 10 spots because 10 more means we're counting up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So I moved 10 spots. Now I'm going to go for Rashid. Ooh, landed in the middle. Rashid got 1 more, so he's going to move up 1 spot. All right, I'm going to go again. Ooh, I got 10 less. So remember, less means I need to count back. So less means I'm getting smaller. So I'm going to count back 10 spots. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm back on 0 where I started. Okay, now Rashid's going to go. He got 1 more, so he's going to move his player 1. Remember, more means you're getting bigger. Less means you're getting smaller. Okay? And let me go again. 1 more. 1. All right, and you're going to keep on playing until one player gets all the way to 99. The first player to get there is our winner. Okay? If you have any questions about this game at all, let your teacher know. Have a great Tuesday. Bye.